I will be discussing three words with you: philosophy, ethical theories, and cultural realism. All right, first, philosophy. Philosophy is the love of wisdom, asking big questions like what's real, what's right and wrong, what is the meaning of life, how far does light travel to one place or another, or why outer space is so cold. Those are questions from, yeah, those are trying to figure out, the meaning of life, space, and time. An important part of philosophy is critical thinking. This means thinking, wait, this means thinking carefully before you believe in something. Like, you have to add in the proof to why you believe it, okay? You gotta figure out, you gotta put things piece by piece to when it all makes sense. You know what I'm saying? All right. Next, I will be discussing you what ethical theory is. An ethical theory is like, wait. First, you need to know what ethics are. Ethics are about deciding what is right or wrong. For example, you see a wallet on the floor, okay, and you see the address on it, and it lives very close by. You could return it, or you could not. What would be the right decision in that?
Return it.
Yes. All right. Ethical theories are different ways people. Ethical theories are basically trying to do the right thing. That's what ethical theories are. Different ways people try to answer. It's about growth and being an honest. It's about growth and becoming a more honest person. And during these things, people usually ask the current questions: what should I do? Or in a different situation, you should ask, how should I treat others? These theories help explain why something might be good or bad. All right. And then last, I will be discussing what cultural realism is. Cultural realism is, let's see, well, okay, here's an example. Say in a culture, it'll be a compliment to kick somebody in the legs, right?
Hell doesn't mean like
Yeah, but somewhere else it wouldn't. And then people would usually argue against that theory. But you can't argue against it because that's what, in a culture where it's polite to do it, you can't argue it because that's just how it goes. You can't, it's not a bad thing to do that because that's what their faith and believing in is. But still, people try to argue against it. Understand?